ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जयम्। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। Namaskar and welcome back to Amar Bharata channel, where we are studying the Sharada class 9 Samskrita textbook. In that, the Prathamaha Pathaha Satyam Shivam Sundaram Samskritam. In this video, we look at the exercises along with an explanation in English. Question number 1. Chhatraha militva पृथक पृथक पंचानाम छात्राणाम लघु समूहान निर्माय. Students form groups of 5 students in each group. यति गति लय पूर्वकम गीत गानस्य अभ्यासम करिष्यन्ति. Sing this whole song melodiously is what this question is telling. Along with yati gati laya means in a melodious way with musical instruments accompanying your singing. I have already sung these songs in the lecture video in a particular tune which I sing one more time. भारतीयैकता साधकं संस्कृतं भारतीयत्व संपादकं संस्कृतं ज्ञानपुञ्ज प्रभादर्शकं संस्कृतं सर्वदानन्दसन्दोहदं संस्कृतं सर्वमस्तिष्कसंस्कारकं संस्कृतं सर्ववाणीपरिष्कारकं संस्कृतं सत्पथ प्रेरणादायकं संस्कृतं सद्गुणग्रामसन्धायकं संस्कृतं विश्वबन्धुत्वविस्तारकं संस्कृतं सर्वभूतैकताकारकं संस्कृतं सर्वतः शान्तिसंस्थापकं संस्कृतं पञ्चशीलप्रतिष्ठापकं संस्कृतं त्यागसन्तोषसेवाव्रतं संस्कृतं विश्वकल्याणनिष्ठायुतं संस्कृतं ज्ञानविज्ञानसम्मेलनं संस्कृतं भुक्तिमुक्तिद्वयोद्वेलनं संस्कृतं धर्मकामार्थमोक्षप्रदं संस्कृतं ऐहिकामुष्मिकोत्कर्षदं संस्कृतं कर्मदं ज्ञानदं भक्तिदं संस्कृतं सत्यनिष्ठं शिवं सुन्दरं संस्कृतं शब्दलालित्यलीलावनं संस्कृतं चारुमाधुर्यधाराग्रहं संस्कृतं विश्वचेतश्चमत्कारकं संस्कृतं पूर्वजानां यशस्मारकं संस्कृतम्. As I told you in the lesson video, it is your turn to sing the same lyrics in a tune, in a raga which you set, which you like, and you sing it and post it online and send me the link in the comments to this particular video. Question number 2. Ekapadena uttaram likhata. Answer in one word. Jnanapunja prabhadarshakam kim. What is it that shows us the glow from the body of knowledge? That is Samskrita. Here the questions start. Samskritam kasyaha sadhakam. What does Samskrita Bhasha achieve? Answer is Bharatiya Ekatayaha sadhakam. It achieves unity among all of us Bharatiyas, Indians. Sarvada Samskritam kasya sandohadam. Always Samskrita gives abundance of what? Anandasya, of happiness, bliss. Third one, Samskritam kasya preranadayakam. What does Samskrita inspire us to do? Satpathasya. It inspires us to tread along the righteous path. Samskritam kasam parishkarakam. What does Samskrita refine or polish. Sarvavaninam. It refines or polishes everybody's speech. Kasya vistarakam Sanskritam. What does Sanskrita spread or expand? Vishwabandhutvasya. It expands the feeling of universal brotherhood. Now we have to note one thing here. Kasyaha is a Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana Pada in Strilinga. Here also it is the same Linga, Vachana and Vibhakti. Here again Kasya Pullinga Shashti Ekavachana, Anandasya Pullinga Shashti Ekavachana. Kasya again Satpathasya, Kasya Vishwabandhutvasya. Kasam is a Strilinga Pada Shashti Bahuvachana, and also here it is Strilinga Shashti Bahuvachana. So we should always match our answer with the Linga, Vibhakti and Vachana as asked in the question. That is something you have to note. Next one. Adholikita prashnanam uttarani purna vakyena likhata. Answer the following questions in full sentences in Samskrita. Sarvataha kasyaha samsthapakam Samskritam. In all ways, what does Samskrita establish? Sarvataha shanteha samsthapakam Samskritam. It establishes shanti, tranquility. Kidvisham vratam Samskritam. What type of vow or pledge is Samskrita? Tyaga Santosha Seva Rupam Vratam Samskritam. Samskrita Vrata, the vow or the pledge, is of the form of Tyaga, which is sacrifice, Santosha is contentment, and Seva is service. Kayoha Sammelanam Samskritam. They have asked which two is Samskrita the confluence or meeting point of. Kayoho is a Dvivachana Pada. Answer is Jnana Vijnana Yoho Sammelanam Samskritam. So Jnana and Vijnana. Samskritam Kasya Chamatkarakam. Whose amazement or wonder is Samskrita? Samskritam Vishwa Chetasaha Chamatkarakam Asti. It is the wonder or amazement of the minds of everybody in this world. Kesham Yashasmarakam Samskritam. Whose fame or glory is Samskrita the monument of? Asmakam Purvajanam Yashasmarakam Samskritam. Samskrita is the fame and glory of all our forefathers, our ancestors in this country. Riktasthanani purayantu. Fill in the blanks. Yatha, like this. Sarvabhutaikata Karakam Samskritam. So, next one. Bharatiyatva Sampadakam Samskritam. Jnanapunja Prabha Darshakam Samskritam. Sarvamastishka Samskarakam Samskritam. Karmadam Jnanadam Bhaktidam Samskritam. Satyanishtham Shivam Sundaram Samskritam. Shabdalalitya Leelavanam Samskritam. Next one. Manjushayaha Padani Upayujya Shad Vakyani Rachayata. Using the words at the top given here, form 6 sentences. Let us see how many words they have given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 words. Out of which they have used one word here. Vani Parishkarika Samskrita Bhasha Bhavati. One sentence is already shown. We have to form 6 other sentences using the remaining 10 words. We'll use the simpler words first and form simple sentences which we can easily form, and then go to slightly more complicated ones. The first one. Vishwa Bandhutva Vistarakam Samskritam Asti. This word we have used. Vishwa Bandhutva Vistarakam Samskritam Asti. I hope you know the meanings of these because I have already covered the meanings in the lesson video. Next. Tyagasya Santoshasya Sevayaha cha Vratam Samskritam Asti. That is the second sentence. We have used 1, 2, 3 words here. Next, third one. Bharatiyanam Ekata Sadhakam Sundaram Samskritam Asti. 2 words here. Ekata and Sundaram. We have used Ekata here and Sundaram here. Next one. Sarvata Shanti Samsthapakam Samskritam Asti. Purvajanam Yashasmarakam Samskritam Asti. Next one, a longer sentence. अस्मान् सत्पथे प्रेरयितुं विश्वकल्याणाय च संस्कृतभाषायाः अध्ययनम् अवश्यम् अस्ति. Now let us see how we have used these words here. Vani Parishkarika has come here itself. Ekata has come here. Sarvataha has come here. Seva has come here. Sundaram has come here. Purvajanam has come here. Satpathe Preraitum has come here. Vishwa Kalyanaya has come here. Tyagasya has come here. Santoshasya here. Vishwa Bandhutva Vistarakam here. So we have used all the words and formed sentences. I would like you to discuss these sentences with your teachers, and if you come up with newer sentences in your class, or you yourself can come up with newer sentences, I would like you to add those sentences in the comments. That will be the creative part of whatever you will do in this particular homework. I want you to show your creativity in the comments below this video. Next question. Adholikitanam samasta padanam udaharana anusaram vigraham kurta. For the following samasta padas, write the vigraha vakyas as in the example. This is an exercise in samasas and vigraha vakyas. We have a lesson on samasas and vigraha vakyas at the end of this Sharada textbook in the grammar part, which I will be covering in a video a little later. However, on my own channel there is a detailed video on samasas which I'll give the link in the description below, which I would urge you to watch. Here they have given an example. Bharatiya Ikata Sadhakam Bharatiya Ikatayaha Sadhakam Sanskritam. Actually, this word itself, Bharatiya Ikata itself, is a Samastapada, and that has its own Vigraha Vakya, which we are not going to in this particular exercise. We have taken this as one word and the next one as the second word. That is the way I will be doing for all the exercises here. So let us see. Jnanapunja Prabha Darshakam, Jnanapunja Prabhayaha Darshakam. Because Jnanapunja Prabha is a Strilinga Pada, like Bharatiya Ikata is also Strilinga Pada. Therefore, Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachana will come like this. Tayaha Prabhayaha Ekatayaha Prabhayaha. So this is a Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Sarvavani Parishkarakam will become Sarvavani Nam Parishkarakam. Again, this is Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Vishwabandhutva Vistarakam. Vishwabandhutvasya Vistarakam. This is a Pullinga Pada. Therefore, it comes as Bandhutvasya. This is again Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Sarvabhutaikata Karakam. Sarvabhutaikatayaha. Like this. Karakam. This is again Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. This is a feminine gendered Strilinga Pada. Shanti Samsthapakam is Shanteha Samsthapakam. Shanti Samsthapakam. Again Shashti Tatpurusha. Jnana Vijnana Sammelanam. Jnana Vijnana Yoho Sammelanam. This is a Dvivachana Pada. This is again Shashti Vibhakti, but this is Dvivachana because Jnana and Vijnana are two, a dual number. So therefore this is Dvivachana Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Again, all the samasas in this page are Shashti Tatpurusha Samasas only. Next question. Pradatta Manjushataha Paryaya Padani Chitva Riktasthane Likhata. Choose the appropriate words. Synonyms is what they have said from the top and fill in the blanks. They have given 6 words here. Ullasaha, Kiranaha, Jagat, Anupama, Tejo, Rashayaha, Manam. Let us fill the easy ones first and then go to the tougher ones. First one very easy is Suryasya Kiranaha Sarvesham Praninam Krite Hitakara Bhavati. Suryasya Kiranaha, the rays of the sun. Next one which is easy is Prakritehe Shobha Anupama Vidyate. Now what have we done here? Shobha and Anupama are feminine gendered words, Strilinga Padas, and these are all in the same Vibhakti and Vachana. That is the way we can select whatever word is wanted in a particular gap by matching the gender, the Vibhakti and the Vachana. The Linga, Vibhakti and Vachana will match. The next one is Vidyayaha Manam Ajaram. Manam is here the same Linga, Vibhakti, Vachana are matched here. Next one, Vidvamsah, Tejo Rashaya. This is Bahuvachana pada. Vidvamsa, Vidvan, Vidvamsau, Vidvamsa is a Bahuvachana pada. Tejo Rashaya is also Bahuvachana pada. Prathama Vibhakti, Pullinga pada. So that's how we have matched it. Then Ishwaram, Smritva, Ullasaha, Upajayate. The last one is Yatra, Jagat, Eka Needam Bhavati. Nida is an abode. The whole world is the common abode of all of us. So I told you we will match the words using Linga Vibhakti Vachana as a first step. But you should also make sure that the sentence makes sense when that word is added. If there are more words here having the same Linga Vibhakti Vachanas which you can fit here, then you should choose the one which has the most appropriate meaning. So all of these sentences here are meaningful, as you can note. Next question. Adholikhitanam melanam kurta. Match the following. Bharatiyaikatayaha sadhakam samskritam. Satpathe preranaadayikam samskritam. Tyaga santosha seva rupam ratam samskritam. Jnanapunja prabhayaha darshakam samskritam. Vishwabandhutvasya vistarakam samskritam. Well, this brings me to the end of this video. I really enjoyed singing this particular song composed by Pandit Vasudeva Shastri Dwivedi, who was the founder of the Varanasi Samskrita Prachara Karyalaya. I hope you also enjoyed this particular lesson. In fact, when we look at all the lessons in this Sharada book for class 9, all the lessons are very, very interesting, very nicely designed book. I really will be enjoying this journey of Sharada in making videos, understanding the lessons in this particular book. Very nicely produced book from the NCERT. I am really enjoying reading this Sharada book. I hope you will also enjoy. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video with the next lesson. YouTube Amar Bharata Shubham Bhuyat Mangalamastu Vande Mataram Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.